Good morning, mathematicians. Okay, so you won't believe this, but today we are moving on to our next Eureka Math module. We just completed Module 3 and now we are on Module 4. Okay, so this is super exciting because this marks the beginning of our lessons in addition and subtraction. We're not quite there yet. What we are going to work on today is revisiting the concept of hidden partners. So what I want you to do is take a minute to find your whiteboard, which is just our sheet protector and pen, dry erase pen. Why don't you press pause on the video if you need to, if you don't have that with you right now, so you can be ready to start our lesson. Okay, so once you have this ready, move this to the side. I want us all to start by crossing off these 6. We're not going to work with these 6. All I want you to have, I'm realizing there's a little shine on here, it might make it hard to see. All I want you to have is 4 visible, okay? The rest of them we're going to scratch out and not use right now. And I want you to use these 4. And I want you to pick random 4, like, you know, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Don't do that. I want them in a group so it can better help us identify our hidden partners, okay? So let's start. Like I said, let's cross out these 6 on the side and we're going to work with these 4. Now, I want you to try your best to circle 2 groups within this set of 4 to show us hidden partners. Now, remember when we were using our dot cards and I would call you up to the whiteboard at school and you would circle different partners within a big group? We're going to do that just on here, okay? We're going to start off with 4 dots. So what 2 groups in here could you circle separately to give us a hidden partner of 4? Take a minute and think about that. Okay, looking at this, how could we divide this into 2 different groups? How could we divide 4 into 2 different groups? Okay, one way is if we circled 2 dots. If we circled those 2 dots, what's the other group that we would need to circle? How many dots would be in the other group? That's right, 2. There we go. There's our hidden partners in the number 4. We have 4 dots total. That did not change. So within 4, within our total, how could we separate them into 2 groups? And you just did that right here. 2 and 2. There's another way. Let's see if we can get that way. Think about it for a minute. I know some of you are thinking of the fun hidden way. We're going to do that one last, so save it. But until then, what's another number I could circle? I could circle 1. If I circled 1, how many are left in that group of 4 for me to circle? That's right, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's circle those 3 together. Make sure you're doing this with me so you can really see and understand how to find these hidden partners. All right, so is there another way that we're missing? It's, I think, one of your favorite ways. It's the sneaky way. Take a look. How many are we trying to find here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. We can circle 4. If we circle 4, how many are left to circle? 0. 0. 4 and 0 is a hidden partner of 4. Okay? Good job, mathematicians. So, we're going to take this concept of hidden partners and we are going to start working on number bonds. It's just a fancy way of showing our hidden partners, okay? So what I want you to do is find your math workbook, and you are going to look at page 5. Page 5 is showing us a number bond, what it looks like. And you'll notice here that there is one circle that is connected to 2 other circles. You could, if you were drawing a number bond, you could draw it like this. You could draw it like this. You could draw it like this. Or you could draw it like this. Or you could draw it like this at an angle. Doesn't matter. The thing that matters is that there's one main circle that connects 2 other circles. They're not all 4 connected. See how there's no line right here going across? That's because the number that goes in here is the total. It's the whole. So if we were working with these and we had our 4 dots that we were looking at, the number 4 would go in here, okay? And then our hidden partners would go in here. So the first hidden partner that we did was 2 and 2. So we would have 4, 2, and 2. It's just a fancy way of organizing our hidden partners and showing the whole number or the total number as well. So what I want you to do is take a minute to rip out, you're going to need some help maybe from your parents. You're going to rip out this page, okay? I'm going to rip it out with you. And you are going to put it on the other side of this. So there we go. Just like this on the blank side. You're going to slip this into the blank side. And we're going to use this for a while. We're going to use this for the next few days, okay? All right. So let's work on a problem together. Let's pretend that Elisa was jumping rope outside in our kindergarten playground. Okay? Let's draw Elisa over here. Hi, Elisa. Okay. And then let's pretend that Ben and Arun were over here. They were playing on the monkey bars. Okay, so everyone draw your Elisa and your Ben and Arun over here. Okay, and let's pretend there's nobody else on the playground. It's just them. How many students are on the playground? Total. That's right. How many total are on the playground? 3. So let's draw our 3 students. Okay? Now, let's say that Arun and Ben said, those jump ropes sure look fun over there with Elisa. Let's go ask her if we can join. And Elisa, being very inclusive, says, sure, guys, come over here. I have more jump ropes. So Ben and Arun go over here to hang out with Elisa. And they're all jumping rope together. How many students do I need to draw in this bubble? If the total, the whole number is 3, we know that that number doesn't change. There are only 3 students on the playground. That's it. So we're going to keep those 3 students in here. But how many are on the monkey bars now? That's right, 0. We don't need to put any in there. 0 are on the monkey bars. 3 are now jumping rope. Okay? All right, let's erase these.